Uh, Good morning to respected principal of Gyanmantri Institute of Technology, Teacher Nimbar, Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Kukiresan, Professor Sir, Specialist Autodesk Academy, Mr. Raj Yadav, and my students. Myself, Professor Nilesh Patel, would like to welcome all the participants in this virtual collaboration on design competition, which is held on 22nd of July to 1st of August 2020. In this design competition organized on Fusion 360 in association with Autodesk Design Academy on 22nd of July 2020. In this webinar, it was conducted by Rajesh sir. Students were actively participate in that webinar, and it was a really great experience for the students to know about Fusion 360 software. During that session, Rajesh sir has covered all the basic functions of Fusion 360 such as designing, rendering, animation, materials, and simulations with specific examples. It was a very good session related to our design competition. Furthermore, we have also arranged a special session with Badri sir and Rajesh sir on 29th of July 2020 to encourage our students to take participation in this event. So for this event, we are receiving great support from Autodesk Design Academy, especially from Badri sir and Rajesh sir to make this event successful. And on behalf of Gyan Manjari Institute of Technology, we would like to express our gratitude for the same. Now, I would like to invite Rajesh sir to encourage the participants. Rajesh sir, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir. Good morning. Am I audible?
Uh, yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay. Thank you so much,
So,
sir. Thank you very much for such a kind words. So, to begin with, yes, I would like to thanks all the participants to come across and going to participate in the design competition. Like as you already explained, as sir has already explained, now the things are going to be changed in future onwards. That's why with the discussion of your college authorities like Kunal sir and Patel sir, we have already discussed what type of problem statement we need to give for such a design competition. That is very realistic problem statement related to the current situation. So you do not need to think very big. I simply want all the students need to come solution for a real time problem. Don't worry about your design. This time we are simply trying to give you, trying to make you understand how you can start thinking about the solutions of the current situation. Right? Sir has already explained, now the entire education system is going to be changed. Engineering means more and more about the problem solutions. Not necessary that you are going to face the problems of any specific industries. That may be the problem faced by people. And problem means challenges are not small and big in size. If you are able to solve any small challenge in your daily life, that is going to fulfill your requirement to be as an engineer. So without taking much time, thank you all for participation in this design competition, and I wish you all the very best. Do your best. Anytime you are facing any challenges, don't worry. We will solve that questions later on. But this time, it's your turn to showcase your creativity because that is very much important, right? Because after getting this participation certificate or whatever, it's not about the rewards. It's only the encouraging the participation of the design competition. This is the in-house design competition. Later on, we are also planning to conduct the entire regional design competition where I'm going to invite all the GTU affiliated colleges because GMIT is very good associated with Autodesk. So I think this platform will give you a lot of experience how you can compete within your college teams. Then later on, you will be confident enough to compete with other colleges teams also. I hope everything is clear. So wish you all the best for this design competition. That's all from my side. Now over to you, Patel sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Rajesh sir, for your kind words and encouragement of our students. Now,
सॉरी, आई थिंक कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस हो गया था. आई थिंक am I audible? Kunal
Yes,
sir?
sir. Sir, your voice is audible.
Okay. So क्वेश्चन इज, हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि अभी नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आई है, उसमें भी जितना हो सके उतना प्रैक्टिकल को बढ़ावा दिया गया है. सो मैं चाहता हूं कि आज के दिन पे जो भी हम लोग, आपका डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो जो भी इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है या जो भी प्रैक्टिकल्स प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको देंगे डिजाइन के लिए, तो उस प्रोजेक्ट्स का मतलब ही यही है कि हम लोग अपने फ्री टाइम में, भले अभी सिलेबस में कुछ चेंज नहीं है या सिलेबस में प्रैक्टिकल का इतना इम्पोर्टेंस, या हम बोल सकते हैं कि अभी नई पॉलिसी के कंपैरिजन में अभी जो एजुकेशन पॉलिसी चल रही है उसके अंदर इतना प्रैक्टिकल को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया गया है. बट आगे के मतलब फ्यूचर में आपको भी प्रैक्टिकल ओरिएंटेड ज्यादा से ज्यादा बनना पड़ेगा, आपको भी प्रैक्टिकल को इम्पोर्टेंस देना पड़ेगा, और आपको भी पूरा सेमेस्टर, ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें भी ऐसा नई पॉलिसी में ऐसा बोला गया है कि आप फाइनल ईयर को ही इम्पोर्टेंस देंगे कॉलेज का, वो वैसे नहीं चलेगा. हर एक सेमेस्टर को, हर एक ईयर को आपको इम्पोर्टेंस देना पड़ेगा, और हर एक ईयर में भी प्रैक्टिकल्स में आपको इम्पोर्टेंस देना पड़ेगा. उसमें भी प्रैक्टिकल में भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जस्ट आपने प्रैक्टिकल कर लिया और इवैल्यूएटर एक ही है, वो इवैल्यूएट कर देंगे कि भाई आपने प्रैक्टिकल अच्छा किया है कि नहीं किया है. आपके फ्रेंड्स क्या बोल रहे हैं, आपका जो प्रोग्राम मतलब जो भी वर्क है वो कहाँ तक पब्लिश हुआ है, आपका जो वर्क है वो सोसाइटी में कितना एप्लीकेबल है, ये सभी चीज, मतलब आप क्या कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे, जैसे हम लोग उसको सिंपली लैंग्वेज में बात करें तो अगर आप बायोडीजल पे कुछ काम कर रहे हैं तो बायोडीजल का इफेक्ट जो है वो सोसाइटी पे क्या आएगा, उसको भी ध्यान में रख के आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. बट ये सब इम्पोर्टेंस है वो अभी नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में है, उसमें दिया गया है. बट कंसर्न इज दैट कि हमें भी आगे जाके, हम लोग तो पास आउट हो जाएंगे यहाँ से, आप बच्चे जो है वो डिग्री लेके पास आउट हो जाएंगे, बट जो नई जनरेशन आएगी 3-4 साल में, उस जनरेशन के बाद पास प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज्यादा होगी, और हमें उसको भी compete करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग पास आउट हो गए मतलब हमें किसी को compete नहीं करना, उस जनरेशन को भी compete करना है. इसलिए हम चाहते हैं, डिपार्टमेंट आपका चाहता है, एचओडीज आपके चाहते हैं कि आप जितना भी हो सके घर पर रह के भी प्रैक्टिकली नॉलेज इंप्रूव करें. आप वर्कशॉप अटेंड करें, ऑनलाइन वेबिनार्स अटेंड करें, आप हो सके उतना नए प्रोजेक्ट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसके ऊपर अपना दिमाग लगा के कुछ नया प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए. या अभी कैसे भी हो आप एटलीस्ट टाइम वेस्ट ना करें. और इसीलिए आपको ये अभी जो नया डिजाइन कंपटीशन रखी गई है उसका बेस यही है कि आप हो सके उतना टाइम को यूटिलाइज करके अपना नॉलेज बढ़ाए, ताकि भविष्य में या फ्यूचर में जो भी कंपटीटर्स आपके सामने आए उसको आप मात कर सके, उससे आगे रह सके और अपना फ्यूचर अच्छी तरह से बना सके. तो यही हमारा उद्देश्य है. आई थिंक इवेंट के बारे में तो कुणाल सर आपको अच्छी तरह से बताएंगे, आपके साथ बात करेंगे. मेरा यही कहना है कि आप 100% इन्वॉल्व होके इसमें पार्टिसिपेट हो, उसमें बढ़िया से बढ़िया ट्राई करो, और फैकल्टी के साथ में कम्युनिकेट करके फैकल्टी की नॉलेज का मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज भी करो, और अपना प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज जो है वो हाईएस्ट लेवल पे ले जाओ. सो मैं सभी कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, सभी फैकल्टीज जिन लोगों ने इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है या इस चीज को डिजाइन करने के लिए, इवेंट को रखने के लिए जो भी एफर्ट दिए गए हैं, और ऑटोडेस्क के साइड से भी जो भी सपोर्ट मिला है, सबको ज्ञानमंजरी कॉलेज की ओर से थैंक यू बोलता हूं, और बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोलता हूं सभी स्टूडेंट्स को कि इसमें अपना बेस्ट दो और बेस्ट नॉलेज लेके इस इवेंट को कंप्लीट करो। थैंक यू कुणाल सर, थैंक यू ऑल, थैंक यू ऑल। कुणाल सर, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for your valuable word. Now I switch to mic to the Professor Neeraj Patel to brief about the detail of the design competitions. So I switch to the Professor Neeraj Patel.
I would like to invite our head of the mechanical engineering department, Professor Kunal Shreyas sir, to address our students regarding this competition.
Good morning to all the students, experts from the Autodesk Academy, Mr. Rajesh Yadav sir, Dr. H.M. Nibak sir, Principal of Gyan Manjari Institute of Technology, Professor Neeraj Patel, Coordinator of the event, and Professor Jay. I am very thankful to all the dignitaries who spent the valuable time to encourage the students of mechanical department, and I also congratulate both the coordinators of the event who have made such a wonderful event for our students. In the past, due to this kind of event, if you go in back of the history of our department has performed very well in the hackathon 2019, as well as our students also taking a participation in the this year hackathon 2020, as well as one of it is reaches to the final round of Gujarat New India Hackathon 2020. So with this kind of events or with kind of competitions in the department, we reaches to the some intellectual level. As in recent month, in the month of May, we also file one patent. So this show that the core value of the mechanical department, that is GMIT, it is in line with that good quality of educations. Then the mind to market concept, it means we promote the innovations. Then the last one is in line with the T, that is teamwork. So with this core value of the department, we are achieving the various milestones. And in this line, this competition is also encourage our students to develop their skills like design. They have to work in team, so team building activity, team building skills. So this events is in current situation due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to do all this kind of the activity over here in our colleges. So by the way of virtual media or the virtual platforms, we are trying to do all this activity that is in our regular curriculum or in our regular education system of GMIT. So with this, and I also congratulate all students. I record that for them if and take participation in more than amount in the involvement and the most in terms of work and communications in so help this word too much. I hand over to the about the various events, how the events and whatever the design procedures, design problems are there. So that will discuss by Professor Neeraj Patel. So this word and I hand over the mic to Professor Neeraj Patel. So Neeraj Patel, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Kumar sir, for encourage our students. Now, I would like to discuss the detailed schedule about this event. So, as you all know, this event is for 3 days. That is 30th of July, 31st of July, and 1st of August. So, we have inaugurated this event on 11 a.m. Through the virtual media. Now, within a few minutes, minutes of time, you are going to have a design problem for this event. Then you have to submit your screen recorded videos of your progress of design today at 6 p.m. Then on 31st of July, you have to submit the progress report at 10 a.m. Then there will be an expert review at 2 p.m. tomorrow. And once again, you have to submit your further progress uh, through the screen recorded video on 6 p.m. Then again on the 1st of August, you have to submit your progress on 10 p.m. and 4 p.m. And on 1st August at 5 p.m. there will be a completion of our event and submission of your all the design. Then we are going to discuss certain rules of our competition. So first rule is each member of team must contribute their input in design. So all participants has to contribute their skills to develop this design. Then each team have to submit minimum 5 minutes screen recorded video twice a day during 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. as we already discussed. This progress will be to keep record of all team progress. Then you need to submit that video in MP4 format, and you have to submit this video to Professor Jay Bhatt's email ID, and that is jbhatt@gmit.edu.in. You have to submit your video to Jay Bhatt sir. Then final submission of the design will contain the following criteria. It should have a 3D model in relevant format, a render image of final design, a PPT of maximum 5 to 6 slides containing entire design steps, and finally all these files need to be sent to Jay Bhatt sir's email ID. And final design of your problem should be error-free. Then there will be a 2 elimination round. Result of each round will be announced after 7 a.m. Each day evening. So there will be elimination round also. Then elimination will be based on overall progress. Then evaluation criteria will be based on innovation, software skill, creativity, manufacturability, and suitability to purpose. Then we have also announced the prize for the winner team, and that is rupees 1,500, and the prize for runner-up will be rupees 1,000. Now, during these 3 days, if you have any doubt or query, then you can contact to me or Professor Jay Bhatt sir. Now, I would like to request Jay Bhatt sir to discuss the design problems.
Hello, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Patel, sir. I would like to add something to what sir said a few minutes back, and that is the evaluation criteria. All the things are self-explanatory. That is innovation, software skills, creativity, manufacturability, and suitability to purpose. But I would like to add in software skills that you will need to actually what happens during any design competition, that in any design competition your design tree is of very much importance, because one feature or one model can be created many ways, right? So keep your design tree as less as possible. Means if you are trying to make a cylinder, the cylinder can be manufactured 4 ways in any software, right? So it is up to you that how you are using the software. That is called software skills. Now, what is suitability to purpose? The suitability to purpose means whatever the problem is given to you, how much it satisfied to the original problem. What means what problem definition was given to you, and how much percentage you are nearer to the solution. That is called the suitability to purpose. So fine, all the rules are now clear to you. Now let's move to the design problem. Now you have to, obviously we are going through this pandemic, and obviously we are in a verge of solving these problems which are relevant to this pandemic. So let me give you the problem. So you have to prepare the personal protecting equipment. Many things are there in PPE kit. Actually, we are not going to prepare all the kits, but we are first problem I would like to give you is the face mask. Now you know that there are many face masks are there in the market, but let me tell you that there is no actually request from somebody that the voice is not audible. Am I audible to you? Hello. Is the voice clear now? Echo is there? Okay. I would like to request Neeraj sir to please mute the mic. Hello. Now the voice is audible. Hello.
કુણાલ સર તમારું માઇક મ્યુટ કરી
Now
દો.
it is clear.
કુણાલ સર મ્યુટ કરી દો તમારું
Is it
માઇક, then Jay sir will be audible. Okay,
I'm waiting for
continue
your
Jay sir.
Hello. Is that clear now? Okay, good. So, okay, the first problem is face mask. There are many masks. If you go to Fast Track, they have also developed their mask. If you go to Wildcard, they have also prepared their mask. There are many duplicate N95 masks are there in the market, but no mask. It doesn't matter how much costlier it is, they are not comfortable to wear. You cannot wear any mask continuously for 4 to 5 hours. That is the problem. So you have to use ergonomics. Do you know ergonomics? Ergonomics is the something that is relevant to human comfort. When you drive the car, when you drive the bike, when you use your mouse, all that stuffs are made with concern to the human comfort. Means you are very comfortable using that particular thing. So first problem to you is the face mask. You have to design that anyone can wear for longer period of time without feeling suffocation, without having any headache or any problem like that. So innovations can be there. There are conventional masks are there, but it isn't necessary that you prepare the same way that the masks are already available in the market. You can use your creativity according to your thoughts. Second problem is face shield. Face shields are also like same as the face mask. You have to prepare a face shield which covers all the area of face, including ears. Okay. So second problem for you is the face shield. First problem for you is the face mask. And the third problem is the sanitization system. Now the sanitization system can contain anything. It is up to you that how you design the sanitization system. It is not like that you only use the dispenser operating equipment, or you create the whole body sanitization system. It is up to you. Now that is the also criteria for us, that how you utilize the problem definition and how you solve the problem. It is totally up to you, because this is design competition, and design can be anything. Sky is the limit. You can use your creativity, your innovative thoughts to utilize in these 3 days. Now, it is not necessary that on first day you design face mask, on second day you design face shield, and third day you design sanitizer system. No. One can create face mask in 3 hours. In next 5 to 10 hours, they can design face shield, and another time they can utilize on sanitization system. There is no time boundary that first 3 rounds are there and 3 problems are there. It is not like that. Don't be confused with that. Only you have to do is you have to prepare a progress video twice a day of minimum 5 minutes, morning at 11 a.m. and evening at 6 p.m. So these are the 2 times which you have to give the screen recording in strictly MP4 format only, so that we can see your overall progress. So that is the main thing. Do not divide these 3. Again, I am saying that do not divide these 3 things in 3 days. It is not like that. You can work anytime you want, but only we want to look after is only your progress. So these are the 3 definitions. If you have any questions at your side, you can ask right now. And during these 3 days, anytime you feel any problem, you think there are any queries, you can ask Professor Patel or me anytime through WhatsApp or call. So if you have any queries, you can unmute your mic one by one, or you can say in chat box. We are also looking after the chat box. So if you have any query, you can ask right now. Okay, and we have another 1 minute to have any queries. Then after we will conclude this session and our design competition will start. So you have 1 minute to raise any query or any doubts.
Sir, it is compulsory to design 3 of them problems.
Hello. Repeat your question. Repeat your
Hello.
question.
To made a design of 3 of all problems.
Sorry.
આ ત્રણે પ્રોબ્લેમ બનવા કમ્પલસરી છે કે પછી એમાંથી કોઈ પણ સિલેક્ટ કરી શકો છો?
Yes, it is compulsory to prepare all these 3 problems. Then and then only your design will be accepted for evaluation.
ઓકે, તો જ્યારે અમે સ્ક્રીન રેકોર્ડિંગ કરીએ ત્યારે અમારે જે પણ અમારું વર્ક શરૂ હોય એનું સ્ક્રીન રેકોર્ડિંગ મોકલવાનું કે પછી ત્રણે ત્રણનું જે પ્રમાણે
જે કોઈ વર્ક ચાલુ છે ને
પ્રોગ્રેસ
એટ ધેટ
થતી
ટાઈમ
જાય એવી
એ
રીતે.
ટાઈમનું રેકોર્ડિંગ મોકલી દેવાનું તમારે. એવું નથી કે તમારે આ એ જ મેં તમને સમજાવ્યું, હજી કહું છું કે એવું નથી કે તમારે આને કલાકની અંદર ડિવાઈડ કરો કે દિવસની અંદર ડિવાઈડ કરો. તમારું જે કાંઈ કામ, સપોઝ તમારે ફેસ માસ્ક બની ગયું છે અને ફેસ શિલ્ડ બનાવો છો, ધેન ઇટ્સ ઓકે. તમે ફેસ માસ્કનું અમને ફાઇનલ ઇમેજ મોકલી દો અને ફેસ શિલ્ડ છે એનું રેકોર્ડિંગ મોકલો, ચાલશે, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. પણ ફેસ માસ્ક બની ગયું હોય સપોઝ તમારે, તો તમે એનું મને આઇસોમેટ્રિક વ્યૂ અથવા રોટેટ કરીને તો બતાવી શકો ને. તો એનું એક સ્ક્રીન રેકોર્ડિંગ લઈ લેવાનું અને ફેસ શિલ્ડની અંદર તમે ક્યાં પહોંચ્યા છો અને કઈ વસ્તુ ચાલે છે બનાવવાની એનું એક રેકોર્ડિંગ મોકલી દેવાનું. બરાબર. એટલે ટૂંકમાં તમારો કન્ટિન્યુઅસ એક પ્રોગ્રેસ છે એને ઇવેલ્યુએટ કરવા માટે આ રાખેલું છે. અને સિંગલ ક્વેશ્ચન છે ઇન ધીસ 3 days we have to work on all 3 topics or only one topic? No, you have to work on all the 3 topics dear. All the 3 things you have to prepare in software. Oh, okay. Anything else? Okay, over to Neeraj sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Jay sir, for elaborating the design problem. So now this competition is open now, and all the participants. Once again, I would like to thank our principals, Dr. Mechanical Engineering, Kriya sir, Jaipat sir, and our Rajesh sir, and all the participants for being a part of this inauguration function. So once again, thank you very much, and the competition is now open. So best of luck to all the participants. Thank you very much. With these words, I would like to end over this session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and all the best for all the participants.
Thank you.